How you lot? It's Chris the Alpha here. Yes, I'm back after 2 weeks holiday, supposedly holiday. I actually need a holiday to get over the holiday. Anyway, this week I need to get back on the horse and start getting some videos out there. And I've got an important question to ask you. But first, if you want to help support the growth of the Alpha Nut channel and you feel like you could chuck me a quid or a coffee or, you know, £100,000, whatever you're comfortable with, you can click on the link down below. I've opened up a Buy Me a Coffee account, which is, it's dead easy, 2 clicks and you can donate a quid or whatever. If not, then of course that's cool too. But what I really would appreciate is if you were able to hit the like button and subscribe if you're not already subscribed, and I'll see you on the inside. Cheers. Hi you lots, Chris the Alpha here. I'm back from my travels and today I was going to ask you your opinion on a question about the 2 cars behind me. Basically, which one of the 2 you think I should be focusing on first in my next videos. Nice to be back. Sorry I've been away for so many weeks. I've been on holiday down in Cornwall and seeing family again elsewhere in the country. So apologies for being absent from your screens. What have we got today? Well, I'm back in my unit, which is now covered in house martin poop because the little devils are nesting up in the eaves by the front door. So they keep flying in and out, and obviously they've got young in the nest and they're picking up the poop and dropping it out of the nest onto my floor. So thanks very much, house martins. Time to fly south. Clear off. What I wanted to briefly discuss today, and I'm going to need your input because I need comments from you down below as to what I should be doing in the next video. We've got 2 options here. The V675, which needs a bit of work still on the fuel system. You dirty hose. Petrol all over the floor. Something's leaking. It may also need a couple of other things for its MOT. Do I focus on doing that one first? Because obviously the 75 is a popular car, but it's perhaps, you know, not very mainstream. A lot of people don't know what it is. Some people don't like it. Other people think it's ugly. Other people think it's gorgeous. But what do you think? Let me know if you think I should be working on the 75 next and documenting that for a video. Or my 156 that was restored, almost about 75 to 80% restored, just before COVID. It had a full glass out respray. I rebuilt partially the engine. It's had new bushes, it's had new brakes, upgraded brakes from a Mito, I think a Mito QV, which are the 4-pot caliper Brembos. This needs a new interior because it's got a non-standard later TI model interior in black. I have a complete tan leather interior for it from a period correct 1998 156. That's all being readied, I should say, to put in there. So that'll be cleaning the car up after its extended storage of about 1.5 years, 2 years, when it didn't actually turn a wheel. I just went in occasionally and started it up and moved it around. I've got new carpet for it. I've got a retrimmed steering wheel, and then obviously take it for an MOT and find out how it does. So what do you think? Let me know in the comments below which of these 2 cars you'd like to see featured soonest. The 75, which I think will be a quick fix, or the 156, which will be several days of me grubbing around on my knees on the workshop floor trying to fit the new interior and all the other bits and pieces. Let me know in the comments below and I'll let you know later what the consensus is. So it's been a bit of a mixed week really. The good stuff was the Southwest Alpha Day at the Haynes Motor Museum in Sparkford in Somerset. That was fun, well attended. And if you haven't been to the Haynes Motor Museum, you really should go. It's great.
But then
20 miles an hour on the M5. It's not good either, is it?
the heavens opened and the southwest was subjected to a biblical flood, the likes of which I don't remember ever seeing before.
I'm trapped.
Okay, I'm just going to go and get my canoe. So don't forget, if you want to see the 75 soon or the 156, leave me a comment down below and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers!